global markets. Here with the financial headlines, brought to you by Snap-Zed Universe.
Hello and welcome to today's financial report.
Gold price forecasts though USD struggles below $1,980 level amid modest US dollar strength. Gold price remains depressed for the second successive day amid a modest US dollar uptick. Bets for more rate hikes by Federal Reserve underpin the buck and weigh on the USD. Looming recession risk and a softer risk tone help limit the downside for the safe haven metal. USD CAD sticks to gains near monthly peak amid sliding oil prices, modest USD strength. A combination of supporting factors pushes USD CAD back closer to the monthly peak. Bearish oil prices undermine the loonie and act as a tailwind amid fresh USD buying. Bets for more Fed rate hikes and a weaker risk tone benefit the safe haven greenback. EUR USD price analysis: absence of a bullish momentum favors a downside bias. An absence of momentum in the upside move barricaded EUR USD from kissing 1.1000. ECB Wunsch expects a continuation of the policy tightening spell if labor demand remains strong. The euro faced pressure while attempting a breakout of the ascending triangle pattern. AUD USD weakens further below 0.6700 over 1 week low amid modest USD uptick. AUD USD remains under some selling pressure for the second successive day on Monday. Bets for more rate hikes by the Fed help revive the USD demand and exert some pressure. A softer risk tone also benefits the safe haven buck and weighs on the risk-sensitive Aussie.
Today's important news.
We have the Eve enjoyed today's markets outlet. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.